Have you ever stumbled upon a useful article, a must-watch video, or an important web page and wished you could save it for later with just one click? Well, in this video, I'll show you exactly how to bookmark in Microsoft Edge so you can quickly access your favorite sites anytime you want. Let's get started. First, open Microsoft Edge and navigate to the web page you'd like to save. This could be anything, a recipe, a study resource, or your favorite news site. Once the page is fully loaded, look toward the top of your browser at the address bar. On the right side, you'll notice a star-shaped icon. This is your shortcut to adding a bookmark, or as Edge calls it, a favorite. Click the star icon and a small dialog box will appear. This box is where you can customize your bookmark before saving it. At the top, you'll see a name field. Edge automatically fills this with the page title, but you can rename it to anything you like. Maybe something shorter or more descriptive to make it easier to find later. Below that, you'll find an option to choose a folder. By default, your bookmark will go to the favorites bar, which appears right below your address bar. But if you want to stay organized, you can create or choose other folders. For example, one for work, shopping, or reading list. This makes it super easy to manage a growing collection of bookmarks. Once everything looks good, just click done. And that's it. Your web page is now bookmarked and ready to access whenever you need it. If you prefer using keyboard shortcuts, Edge has you covered too. Simply press Ctrl+D on Windows or Command+D on Mac and the same bookmark box will pop right up. No mouse required. To view your saved bookmarks later, click the favorites icon, the star with 3 lines on the toolbar, or press Ctrl+Shift+O to open the full favorites menu. From there, you can edit, delete, or organize bookmarks however you like. And just like that, you've mastered bookmarking in Microsoft Edge. It's quick, it's simple, and it keeps your favorite online spots only a click away. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more tech tutorials, and share it with someone who might find it useful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.